Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Rodriguez, Mamba sa Greek channel, a faith healer, also matayoder. So, ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So, this is the weekly gabay for the month of March 22 hanggang March 28 for the sign of Cancer. So, Cancer, welcome to my channel. Ano kayong messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino kayang energy o kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Cancerian ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is a journey din namang dila at makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. Maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel. Lalong-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik liglig na guumapaw na biyayang manong balik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages advice ng ating angel spirit for the sign of? For the sign of Cancer. So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Cancerian ng ating mahagilap? So guys, tuklasin at bubulabugin natin. Angel Spirit, please give me information po. Okay, there's a devil card. Oh my God. Now may gumagawa sa'yo ng black magic involved dito. There's something in toxicities around you. My goodness. And there's something, oh my God, the Hermit card. Talaga sinasabi dito guys na maaaring kung magaginagawan kayo pati ang iyong anak. Oh my God. There's something spiritual battle. No? Meron ako na sense dito manggagamat at mangkukulam, no? Maaaring naglalaban sila ngayon. Meron silang parehas kakayanan, parehas silang Cancerian, parehas sila naglalaban dito. Oh my God. And there's a 4-1 space celebration na unti-unti ka na makakaranas ng celebration. Unti-unti ka rin magiging matagumpay dito. Na unti-unti nang kumaga magiging maganda tatakbo ng sitwasyon mo. And there's 7 of Pentacles with a harvest moment, no? Kung ano man yung mga bagay na ginawa mo, maaaring katumbas nito, no? At maaaring maging masagana ng pamumuhay mo at maaaring mag-ani ka na sa lahat ng mga bagay na ginawa mo. Pag lumabas yung Justice card dito, my God. And there's something the lovers. Now, there's something about sa love life. Na maaaring ka konektado ka pagdating sa pag-ibig. No? Maaring meron ditong related about sa love life mo. Let's see. Gusto ko i-clarify ito. It's very interesting. What is the devil card? There's an 8 of swords. See? Nasa paligid mo lang ang gumagawa sa'yo. Oh my God. There's a lot of toxicities and negativities around you. And the Fool card is of course the Chariot card. You need to take an action for this. No? Kumbaga, meron ditong isisilang. At itong tao na itong isisilang na to, na bago pa lang, no? Na maaaring may kakayanan, no? Siya ang puputol, no? Nang gawa ng black magic na to. And there's a Hermit card represent what? 10 of Cups, happiness. Magiging masaya at magiging maligaya ang iyong pamilya dito. Maaaring magbubuklod at magsasama na ulit kayo, no? Some of you guys merong ginayuma dito at iniwan yung family, no? Na maaaring kumbaga buntis yung pamilya niya, tapos ginayuma yung person kaya biglang nawala. Now there's a 4 of Wands, represent what? Reference with a word card. There's something trouble, na maaaring makapag-trouble ka international, local, na maaaring sinasabi dito, maaaring magtatagumpay ka. There's a celebration of homecoming family gathering. What is the 7 of Pentacles? Reference with a 6 of Pentacles. There's a giver receiving something by the universe. Magtutuloy-tuloy na rin about sa finances. Where are you? Maaaring may magbayad dito ng utang. No, maaaring, kumbaga, there's something investment, na maaaring makuha mo na kumbaga, yung tubo, no? Yung komisyon. And there's the lovers. Represent what? Represent the Queen of Wands. Confident. Na lakas naman ng loob mo, maging matapang ka dito. There's a flower by empowerment. Na kailangan palaban ka dito. Hindi ka pwedeng duwag. What is the devil card? Because the 8 of Swords. Represent with the Page of Swords. No, there is something in actions. No? This is something guys with a get more information. Marami kang bagay na malalaman, matutuklasan. No, kahit na hindi mo to nakikita physically, no, mentally. And of course, makikita mo ito by spiritual. Oh my God. Let's see what is the Fool card, because the Chariot card. Reverse with the 9 of Pentacles. So there's something blossoming. Now, meron talaga ditong na magbibigay sa'yo ng kumbaga pag-unlad, ang anak mo. Now, meron ka ditong anak na maaaring maging masaganang pamumuhay at meron din siya kakayanan na proteksyonan ang inyong pamilya. And there's a Hermit card, because the 10 of Cups. represent with the emperor, kumbaga there's something maturity. Magiging mature na at magiging matibay na. No? Tulad ng emperor, kumbaga there's something in authority, kumbaga siya yung gagawa ng paraan or siya yung kumbaga provider, protector, no? At kumbaga itong tao na to yung magdadala sa'yo ng kaligayahan. No? There's something spirituality na maaring related with your family, na maaring kumbaga may ninuno dito or there's something elemento na maaring gabay mo. No? May engkanto ako nakikita ditong gabay. Oh my God. May engkanto ditong gabay. It's either tikbalang or kapre. What is the Four of Wands? Because the word card. Reference with the Queen of Swords. There's a look at the bigger picture. No? Mag-clear ka na ng boundaries. No? Kumbaga magiging maganda na ang pamumuhay mo dito. Mahawakan mo na. No, kung ano ba talaga yung gusto mo mangyari sa buhay mo. Meron ka ditong kakayanan, no? Kapag nagsalita ka talagang mangyayari. And there's something, the Seven of Pentacles, of course, the Six of Pentacles. Represent what? Represent with the Moon card. No, there's something the truth reveal. No, kung ano man yung mga bagay na nangyari sa nakaraan, maaaring ito na yung magsisilbing katuparan sa iyong mga pangarap, no? Kumbaga may naudlot dito ang tagumpay. Pero this is something, guys, with eventually na maaaring magiging masagana ng pamumuhay mo. No, pagdating sa mayroong anak na maaring kumbaga magbigay na magandang bukas sa iyo, no? And there's the Lover Circle, the Queen of Wands, represent with the Page of Pentacles for investment, no? Maaring magiging kumbaga lakasan mo ng loob mo dahil magkakaroon ka ng mga bagong plano, bagong proyekto, and of course there's something manifestation with the Page of Pentacles and of course investment. No, maaring kumbaga nag-invest ka ng time and effort for this person. Maaring kumbaga lakasan mo ng loob mo, kumbaga magiging matagumpay ka kung sino talaga yung gusto mo makasama, no, for long term. What is additional messages for the outcome? And there's the King of Pentacles with the security. Mag-secure ka pagdating sa finances. And this is something the Star card. Don't you worry. No, maaring kumbaga makaka-recover ka na for financial loss, for financial crisis. No, mayroong mga bagay o tao sa sitwasyon mo na tumutol at tumarang ng pag-unlad mo, wag ka mag-alala. No, magiging masagana rin yan. Maaring mauudlot lang siya ng, for a meantime. Pero after all, maaring magiging tuloy-tuloy na siya. No, there's something hope, pag-asa. There's a star for healing. And the star for something of fulfillment. And there's the Eight of Pentacles. Just focus on being dedicated sa ginagawa mo. Mag-focus ka lang sa ginagawa mo. Magpatuloy ka sa ginagawa mo. And there's a Wheel of Fortune with a good luck. And there's a destiny is yours. Talaga there's something prophecy. Nasa palad mo at nasa kapalaran mo yan. Na maaring matatamo mo talaga. No, ang maging matagumpay sa buhay at maging masagana. What is additional messages for finances and career? And there's a Knight of Pentacles with the security. Magiging secure ka ngayon pagdating sa finances. And this is something the Eight of Wands for something in past communication. Maraming customers, maraming client, maraming transaction dito ako nakikita. Na maaring lalakas no, ang iyong negosyo. Especially with the Ace of Cups now related with your love life. Magtutulungan kayo ng person mo. And there's a Five of Swords in reverse, something a fair fight. Magiging patas ang laban pagdating sa'yo. No, magiging patas na ang laban. Let's see what is additional messages for love life. And there's the Queen of Cups. No, magkakaroon ka ng emotional healing. No, there's something maturity. Maaring matured ka na ngayon. No, and this is something, guys, with the Two of Wands by choices. No, pipili mo yung mga taong makakasama mo for pang matagalan. No, ang nasa utak mo yung for long term na nakikita mo, there's something infinite na gusto mo for lifetime na. And there's the Nine of Swords. No, nagkakaroon ka ng anxiety, overthinking. Let's see one more card. And there's a Four of Pentacles. Protectionan mo at pangalagaan mo yung sarili mo dito. No, masyado ka nag-overthink and paranoid. Excuse me. And there's a strength. Kailangan mo ng confidence na pagdating sa love life. What is additional messages? Na pagdating naman tayo sa health. Pagdating sa health, there's an Empress card for revert. Na magkakaroon ka talaga ng second chances na magiging masagana at magiging maganda na ang iyong kalusugan. And this is something the judgment. Pinapaalalahanan ka na you need to pay attention. Na mag-ingat ka, no? Kumbaga 2-3 anak lang pwede na, no? Kasi may hirapan ka na sa susunod na ipapanganak mo, no? At itong bata na to maaaring kumbaga siya yung taong may kakayanan, no? Pagdating sa spiritual, it's a very rare gift, no? May rare gift siya. What is additional messages with an angel spirit for a mystic love oracle deck for something synchronicities? For synchronicities represent what? And there's a speed. Bibilis ang takbo ng buhay mo dito or daloy na sitwasyon. And there's a home na magkakaroon ka ng bagong bahay. bagong tahanan or gaganda na ang inyong bahay, no? And there find the lost things, no? May mga bagay na hinahanap ka na nawala, no? May mga bagay na nakikita mo na yung unti-unting naglaho na bagay na ngayon unti-unti mo na siyang nakikita yung kahulugan kung bakit nawala, kung bakit nasira, no? And there's a help, no? Kumbaga ngayon nakahawak-hawak mo na yung opportunities na yon, no? Na magkakaroon ka ng panibagong eksena or sitwasyon. What is the magical fairy messages? Represent what? What is the magical fairy messages represent? New career. So, magkakaroon talaga ng bagong career talaga dito. And of course, your wish is granted. So, see, yung pangarap mo talaga matutupad yung hinihiling mo. No? What you've asked for is coming true. Your work focus in shifting in a positive, new, and successful direction. So, magkakaroon talaga ng magandang career pa. What is additional messages for a yin and yang oracle card? Represent what? For yin and yang oracle card represent what? Shadow side. Truth reveal. Na may mga bagay na matutuklasan dito, may mga bagay na maliliwanagan ka dito, and there's an empathy with the breakthrough. Magtatagumpay ka talaga. No, lahat ng mga bagay na to magtutupad sa pangarap mo. And this is something pass and luck, no? Alisin mo na lang, kumbaga may bagay na nagsuffer dito sa nakaraan na kailangan mo ng, kumbaga, surrender. What is the romance angel for a Mystic Love Oracle deck? What is the romance angels? There is a hook up, one night stand. Na meron ditong, kumbaga, meron ditong parang magiging marupok, no? Magiging padalos-dalos. And this is something regret, no? Baka magkamali ka, no? Pag-isipan mo mabuti yung bawat action mo. Huwag ka masyado magmadali pagdating sa buhay pag-ibig. What is Archangel Michael messages? Eternal love. There's something everlasting promises talaga. May pangmatagalan talagang pag-ibig dito. And there's a let go of fear now. Alisin mo yung takot at pangamba mo ngayon na. And decide to be happy now. Kailangan mo magdesisyon na magiging masaya ka ngayon. What is the romance angels represent what? Honeymoon. No? Kumbaga, this is the moment, guys. No? Para may sa katuparan mo yung mga kagustuhan pagdating sa love life, stay optimistic about sa love life. Na manatili kang positibo pagdating sa buhay pag-ibig. Iwasan mo maghatak ng nega. Ganun talaga. Pag sinaktan ka, maghanap ka na ulit ng iba. Charis, kumbaga pag nasaktan ka, bumawi ka ulit sa pangalawang pagkakataon. Pero pag paulit-paulit yon, wag na. Mabubulok ka na lang ng ganyan. Malulustay ka ng maaagam. And there is a look for a sign. So, ibig sabihin dito, maghanap ka ng senyales, kung ano man yung mga bagay na kailangan mong gawin. O kung ano man yung mga kasagutan sa mga katanungan mo, baka ito na. And communicate clearly. Kailangan mo lang makipag-communicate ng maayos, no? So, let's see what is the chakra messages. For the chakra messages, represent what? And there's a self-worth. Na dapat alam sa sarili mo yung halaga mo. No? There's a guilt. May mga taong may galit sa'yo. May mga taong nabubuisit sa'yo. No? And there's something, guys, with the insecurity. Kasi naiinggit siya. No, kasi nakikita yung sitwasyon mo, you're on the spotlight. No, pinagtitinginan ka ng mga taong, mga inggitera. What is additional messages? With an angel spirit. And there's a weight of the world. No, there's something boundaries, no? Kumbaga, wag mong kinukuha yung mga bagay na hindi pa para sa iyo. Wag mong binibitbit yung mga bagay na alam mong hindi mo pa kayang bitbitin. No, bitawan mo, pakawalan mo, hayaan mo mangyari, unfold it naturally. And of course, this is something that is minta ka. So, there's something potential. May potential ka para maging matagumpay at maging successful sa buhay. What is additional messages? With an angel spirit. For angel spirit messages. And there's an imagination. Na gamitin mo tong imagination na to para makapag-create ka ng mga bagong ideas. And there's that card for an ending in the beginning. May mga bagay na tatapusin na, may mga bagay na mawawakasan na, may mga bagay na unti-unti na magsisimula ng panibagong eksena. And there's a blame. No, lahat ng mga bagay na nangyayari sa buhay mo, it's a God purpose. Na wala kang ibang sisisihin. What is additional messages with an angel spirit, guys? With an angel spirit, there's something gift, review, na maaaring kumbaga, nangyari ito sa nakaraang buhay mo. No, kumbaga, binibigay lang sa iyo ulit to para nadala ka ba, natauhan ka ba, o may mga aral ka bang natutunan. And there's a goddess insight na maraming pasilip sa iyo ating angel spirit na you need to pay attention. Kumbaga may mga signs na binabahagi sa iyo. Nasa sa iyo nila kung paano mo pagtatagpi-tagpiin ito. And there's a good night's sleep. No? Magiging masarap na ang tulog mo. What is additional messages with an angel spirit? And there's a time to decide. No, kailangan mo magdesisyon ngayon. No? And across school, no, there's a lessons. Marami kang pang bagay na kailangan mong pakakatandaan. No? Kailangan mong malaman ang kasagutan. And there's a storm warning. No? May unos talaga. And there's a door to the personal healing and happiness. May kaligayahan dito talaga. No? Bukas ang pintuan para sa kagalingan at kaligayahan. Mag-ingat ka lang dito dahil may unos. No? May pagsubok pang darating. And there's a patient. No? Time will come. Hayaan mong dumating yung araw na yun, no, there's something perfect timing. At magiging maganda na rin ang takbo ng eksena mo. Kailangan mo lang kumalma. No, what is the Monsology? Represent a time to give rather than take. Na mas maganda ikaw nagbibigay oras at panahon kaysa ikaw yung humihingi. And because this is something adjustment are required. So, kailangan mo mag-adjust. No? May mga pagkakataon dito, guys, na parang nahihirapan kang mag-adjust dahil sa nakasanayan mo. But eventually, guys, kailangan mo mag-adjust para sa ikabubuti mo. And show the world the real you. Ipakita mo sa mundo kung sino ka talaga, no? Na may ibubuga ka pa, na may maganda pang magiging takbo ng buhay mo. No, wag mong gawing mundo yung tao lang. What is the Jesus loving quote said? Sinasabi dito, blessed are they the hero, blessed are they that hear the word of God and keep it. So, binibless daw yung mga taong naniniwala sa salita ng Diyos. No? So, let's see what is an angel's number represent what? Angel's number represent 555 for change. Unti-unti nang babaguhin, unti-unti nang magbabago, lahat ng kaganapan sa buhay mo. No, sinusuportahan ka ng ating angel spirit sa lahat ng mga obstacle battle, no? Lahat ng mga bagay na nangyari sa iyo, pagsubok man 'yan, failure man 'yan, you are going to level up. It might not feel good initially, but it will prepare you to handle the greater things in life for your highest good. That is why you've been looking for through it. There is a reward waiting for the finish line. So, huwag kang mag-alala. No, lumaban ka ng patas, magpatuloy ka sa ginagawa mo. No, at the end of the road, makukuha mo yung tagumpay at makukuha mo yung nararapat talaga para sa iyo. What is the messages of life represent? I discover who I am. Dito mo madidiscover kung sino ka talaga, kung na ba talaga yung purpose mo sa buhay. Now today, I discover the riches that lie within me. I acknowledge my true self. I see myself as the limited being and marvel at the beauty of my life. I recognize the wealth of possibilities available to me. As being of the light, as I learn who I am, I recognize the divine with me. So see, unti-unti mo natutuklasan yung mga bagay na natutunan mo sa sarili mo. Dahil sa mga bagay na naranasan mo, unti-unti mo napapasalamatan ng ating pang may kapal dahil unti-unting nahubog ka, o hinuhubog ka sa lahat ng mga bagay na pinagdaanan mo. So guys, this is a weekly gabay for the month of March 22 hanggang March 28 for the sign of Cancer. So Cancer, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a reading namang hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-suporta sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads, saway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik liglig na gumapo ng biyayang manumbalik sa inyo. Maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!